and its engine has overheated. There is no immediate danger, but the captain decides to warn nearby vessels. The yacht is drifting slowly. The captain checks the overheated engine while third mate Felicita looks through binoculars into the fog.
How's the engine?
Still overrated, Captain. It's not restarting. We need more time to cool it down. Over.
Visibility is really poor. I can barely see past a few meters. No sign of other vessels yet. Over.
The captain nods, picks up the radio microphone, adjusts the VHF radio to channel 16 and transmits the safety message.
Security, security, security. This is Seabreeze. We are a yacht at position at 38 degrees 45 north, 72 degrees 10 minutes west. Experiencing engine overheating and unable to restart. Visibility is limited due to heavy fog. Other vessel, please proceed with caution. Over.
The captain releases the push to talk button and listens for a response. A radio operator at the Coast Guard station hears the message and responds.
Seabreeze, this is US Coast Guard. Sector Command, message received. Do you require assistance? Over.
Back on the yacht.
Coast Guard, this is Seabreeze. Negative on immediate assistance. We are monitoring the engine and the vessel is stable. We will update the condition worsen. Over.
Understood, Seabreeze. Maintain watch and advise if your situation changes. Coast Guard up.
The captain puts the radio down and turns to the crew.
All right, we have warned nearby vessel. Let's keep monitoring the situation and try restarting the engine soon.
Crew members nod and continue their duties as the yacht remains adrift in the fog.